everybody who has a side-by-side knows it'd be sweet to get it street legal, right? So I did the process. I freaking contacted Dirt Legal, paid the money, and I just got an email that says my license plate should be in the mailbox. I'm pretty excited. I've been waiting for this for longer than I wanted to wait, but here it is. Oh man. Check this out. So, go in the house, open this up. Got our registration and our South Dakota license plate. And on here, what we're looking for is a vehicle code right there. M for motorcycle. This is it. Corbin Custom Works freaking turn signals. Waiting for that for the buggy. I'm so excited.
Have a good day, guys.
Oh man. You can do it. Rip it open. Oh, so excited. Corbin Custom Works.
Holy cow, Dad. How much stuff is there?
Custom fang lights with the built-in LEDs for turn signals. Gonna go on that. There it is, all unboxed. License plate holder, fang lights, or accent lights, whatever you want to call them, and then all plug-and-play harnesses. Let's see how this goes. All right, turn signal day. We got turn signals, a horn, and a license plate bracket with a light on it from Corbin Custom Works. Called them up, needed that stuff. They said I'll get it right out to you. For the turn signals, it replaces the accent light. We got the horn kit over here. Throw this in there. And over here we have the turn signal kit with freaking real good directions. You can see it's colored, super in-depth, looks very easy. We're gonna find out. You do have to remove the front fascia, but we'll get to that. And just to show you, factory connectors everywhere. This should all be plug and play. So we got the harness, we got the controller, we got switches. Let's see, we got, that's a hazard switch and turn signals. So, we're plated, we're insured, we're registered, and here in a little bit, we're gonna be freaking ready to go on the road. Well, what do you think, Tim?
Looks like a good kit. I'm more interested in how the local law enforcement handles you, but hey, hope it goes good because we'll be getting 2 more buggies kits installed if it goes good for you.
So step 1 here was taking the passenger seat out, got that out. Next we're going to be accessing the inner panels here so we could route the wiring. Here is the new wire, routed straight with the factory stuff, pulled through the back and simply just plugs in. It splits off and goes left and right. And here's the connectors over here. Pulled these through, took these apart. So we fed these connectors to the back, and all it is this factory connector.
And unplug the factory connector, and we're just going to plug the kit in line. Done. Now we're gonna tie these wires all back up, connectors back up, and go to the other side.
Return interior route remainder of turn signal wire harness to front of vehicle. Follow existing wire through grommet out to radiator area. Zip ties are provided for mounting module to crossbar behind dash.
See where your coolant hoses go and everything?
Yeah.
It's gotta go through there. There's like a rubber grommet there.
Right here. So down in here, all the wires are routed right here through that grommet. You gotta pull them through and then separate it from one side to the other. So the next step should be getting this fascia off, right?
I would say so.
Remove the one bolt from back of headlamp using a 7mm socket.
And I painted the
It says, pull top of headlamp assembly rearward sharply to dislodge the upper mounting ball from socket. Only the upper needs to be removed. You see there's like a ball, and that's got to be this right here.
So send it.
Well, broke it. Basically, the back of the headlight assembly
Set of them over there hanging on the
has
wall
these
inside the street.
balls. You can see there's like a ball inside of a joint. And on the instructions, supposed to leave this one alone. And up here is where another one goes. Supposed to pull it out. Well, when I pulled it out, it snapped the housing on the bottom ball.
I don't know if this is going to do anything.
So Tim's taking the screw out, which would have saved the entire thing.
Did that work? So add that to, just tell him to add that to the instructions. That was easy to miss. It's a prototype, so easy to.
So the instructions that
Great,
say
but-
yank on the headlight should say
just
remove.
It looks like it's
screw.
designed, but
At
to
step
do that, but I'd
whatever, kind of note where that belongs.
Yeah, I'll talk to him about it. So, don't yank the next one. And then it says take the whole front fascia off.
Will it come straight up?
And then it says turn upside down. Place upside down. Remove 3 Torx and 1 retaining clip from the shroud panel.
pay attention how it's done because I'm going to buy that grill.
So we have the turn signals connected to the accent lights up here. Now we gotta put the switches in. Tim is putting a plate from All Steel Off-Road right here in the center.
Come on. What am I
And this will give me more options for where to put switches at. The only thing, Tim, when you go to put that in there is make sure the turn signal, it says on the right and left.
But for a moment, we're just going to test it.
Go ahead.
I'd leave like that. I wouldn't be mad about that.
That's left. That's left.
Yep, that's good.
I like that too.
Let
You
me
see that? If the switch flashes that arrow too.
Go left.
Here's hazard.
Yep, works. Well, hang on, this is dumb.
I like that.
We should be catching this on video.
Well, we can redo it. We don't want to catch it if it doesn't work.
Yes, we did. All right, so we turned it on. Here's how the switches are mounted right there. We got turn signals on the left and hazards on the right.
Running lights.
I like it. This is the running lights of the ghost option for the accent lights.
Go to the turn signal. Oh, I dig that.
Yeah, it looks real good.
Go to the other side. Is it? Are they going the right way? Go to the back. Let's see what those
Yep, let's go check out the back. Working good.
That's sweet.
Yeah, got turn signals.
What's next?
All right.
The horn, right?
Show the switch.
Next up, the
horn.
frickin' horn.
The freaking horn.
What's that?
Switch. I like that.
How it blinks.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's real nice. I'll tell you
That
this.
way you know if you don't
The-
forget to turn it
Right.
on.
The color on the camera is not coming through as it is in real life. They're all actually just a nice orange. Shows yellow on the camera. Yep.
Yeah, because you know dang well, we're used to drive a car where you know automatically flips off, so you can see that.
Yeah.
Man, is that nice.
That's cool, man.
Yes, it is. All right.
What? That's a nice kit, dude. That went together pretty simple. I mean,
Corbin Custom Works.
yeah.
That's who to go to. Man, that's a... And this is what he said. He replaced this because this is a brighter light than what the stock one is.
Yeah.
He has clear ones on a cheaper package,
Yeah.
but it's not as bright.
Man, definitely hit him up.
Real good.
All plug and play, so pretty easy.
Yeah,
The
no,
hardest
no
part
power
was-
wires.
The hardest part was getting the fascia off.
No splicing, no power wires, all just factory harness plugs. Freaking real easy.
All right, let's get that horn in so you can take a rip on the road.
Yep.
Because we live in communist Pennsylvania, we gotta cover up light bars. That's just
Yeah, another
Jeeps
part of
and
being road
everything.
legal, Pennsylvania doesn't allow uncovered light bars on the road. So Amazon, cheapo, $7 cover just to get by. Showing what it looks like. So that's covered. All right, so it's time to get this horn on. Tim's in there working on the wiring. Got the directions here. Corbin Custom Works, yet again.
I'll supervise. You're doing great work, Tim. Keep it up. Good work. Yeah.
So
All day, every day.
let's take the seats out, which we've already done. Get to the access panel, already did that. Already done all this stuff for the turn signals. Alright, so now we got this. You have to connect to the power bar in the center of the console.
Okay, we know where that's at. That's at
Yeah,
bus.
we've used that a few times. And then route the switch up the dash.
Tim's got it under
Put your
control.
dielectric on it. Put it in the spot you want it.
This is solely for the
And then we have to drill-
viewers out there. Tim's got it under control.
Then we have to drill a 1/4 inch hole right here. All right, Eric, it says drill a 1/4 inch hole right here.
I'll go get the drill.
So
I was the
again,
supervisor. I'm just here to...
the bus bar in the middle, the power supply, right in the center console is where they want you to connect the horn to.
Man, I'm supposed to just be supplying the garage and tools and supervise. Where at, brother?
Oh, there's a picture here. See that picture?
Right in that triangle.
Yeah. Using a step bit.
Just the next one.
Oh, easy peasy.
Where's your meter?
Now we'll mount the horn on there and get it all
Really,
plugged in.
So we got the horn hooked up.
Switch illuminates with the buggy as all the other switches.
Here we go. Fire in a hole.
It's real loud. I can't wait to be behind you guys beeping at you.
I carry ball bearings.
You do that, I'm cutting my freaking muffler off.
So what we have left is to put the lighted license plate holder on here. Got to move our backup camera. And wondering how to get the power for it. This, you literally unplug the light from the wire from the light, plug this in line to the harness, and then you have your power right here. Couldn't be any easier.
So here's something important. We got to get that mullet in full view. It's glorious. I mean, that's one word for it.
Need a little more party in the back.
You do need a little more party in the back.
Getting there. Need some Rogaine, a little bit of spray.
Yeah, a little bit of spray paint.
Yeah.
Now this whole kit, man, everything was plug and play.
The only thing that wasn't, and it's only because it has to have constant hot all the time, is the horn. What's the level of excitement?
Well, if we get this on right now, I'm going for a ride.
Yeah, so what's the level of excitement to be like street legal-ish?
I couldn't be more excited. Long process, a lot of money. We're gonna go for a ride down the road.
Right on, right on, right on.
Well, the first place you need to take this is down to the car wash and wash it off.
Yeah, you know what? That's a thing too. I mean, that's great to be able to take it down to the car wash and instead of jacking your brand new driveway back up. Oh, look at that. DTR. Oh, look at that. You have a friend in South Dakota. Just had to clearance out the license plate frame a little bit to avoid the plate cutting into the wire. No big whoop-de-doo. Maybe we'll grommet that with a little bit of electrical tape or something. What do you think?
Well, let's just see if that's even enough. Bro,
Sweet.
it's fine.
Yep, that'll work.
Wait.
You got it upside down.
I'm like, where's the light? How's the light get on there?
There you go. Attaboy.
Alright, so last freaking step to this puzzle was the license plate bracket. It's mounted on here, flush mounted, and it's got LED lights in there. Wire wraps around and comes over here to this plug that plugged right in, and just some butt connectors to connect the wires. Not bad. What do you guys think?
I'm excited to see what's going on. So I think what you should do is, we could put the seat in later. I think you should go for a rip around the block. I know you're excited to do that.
All right, I want to put more.
Unless you just want me to wait and
No, we can do that. I want to put air in the tires though, back tires.
air compressor right there.
We'll knock that out. I feel better about them not being at minimum poundage. But
I think on the road, maybe higher air pressure.
that's what I'm saying. Yep.
I go with 20 pounds or something.
Freaking sweet.
All right, we got it all wrapped up. Done deal. Complete turn signal kit from Corbin Custom Works. Was a very, I can't emphasize enough, super simple install. The hardest part was getting this front fascia off, and that wasn't that big of a deal. But it looks good, it works good, came with the horn, turn signals. So this is the first rip on the streets. Dave, are you excited?
I'm pretty excited.
Tim, are you excited?
Yeah.
Tim's gonna co-pilot.
I am really rooting for this in our area.
Oh, absolutely. Saw it here first. DTR off-road. Doing some more things. There they go. You guys got your phones on you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, in case we need to make it out.
Right.
Nothing behind me, right?
Nope, you're good.
Turn on the AC.
I can do that. I can turn on the AC.
All right. First legal rip on the streets here in Pennsylvania. Yeah. Yeah, well, I just got my driveway sealed, so there goes that. Oh well.